Hello Placers! Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, which is Instagram. Being popular means followers, and good followers will help your account grow into a well-known brand. Organic growth is always the best option. Of course, you can always buy followers, but what happens when you stop the payment? Exactly. So today I'm going to give you 3 short but effective tips to help you to get more followers on Instagram and this way grow your account. Let's get to it. Instagram is such a visual platform, so a good idea is to have a consistent feed, which means choosing a theme, a color palette, or even an aesthetic. If your account is about food, don't make a dramatic change and suddenly post cars or trips or whatever. Stay in one line and be consistent about your postings. Feed consistency may seem hard, but if it is well done, people will enter your profile and know exactly what your account is about. And this will attract the niche that you want to. Now, Instagram stories interact with your current followers, which is exactly what you need to create a community and reach more followers. It's easy and fun to interact with stories, and you can get creative while creating them. One easy way to make this is by creating beautiful and outstanding stories in seconds. Let people know about sales, new releases, or giveaways. Find the link down in the description box to our Instagram stories and create as many as you want. And finally, images with hashtags always perform better than those without them, so this is a nice way to get people to see your profile. Go for interesting tags. Do some research to find which tags are the most used in your Instagram niche. Some people upload even 5 pictures per day with a bunch of useless tags. Keep your followers interested by using the tags that go along with your theme. You're allowed up to 30 hashtags on Instagram, so be creative and use them. Each one is a possibility to connect. Well, we all know that Instagram plays a significant role in the discovery of products and personalities. This is why promoting anything on Instagram just makes sense. Take a little time and start transforming your account for good. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments down below if this video was helpful for you, and if you want me to talk about other topics, feel free to tell me.